So hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to create a project on the basis of the concept which we have discussed in the series. So now by using the element listeners style manipulation and the selection of the HTML pages by query selector and get element by ID, we are going to create a menu bar. In this project we can hide and show the menu bar on the basis of our requirement. So now let's start the project. Here I have a HTML document. In this I have created a container and a nav bar in which a hide button is visible and a menu bar which will be hide and show by clicking on the hide and show the button. Here is the CSS of the HTML page. You can see here, like I have reset the padding and margin of the whole body content, and I have written here the container which width is 100% and the height is 100 vh viewport height. Right here I have set the position fixed so that we cannot scroll the body, and the background color of the container is black. Now I have created a nav bar. You can see the CSS of the nav bar. Here I have created a menu bar. You can write the nav bar and menu bar code on your own, which how you want to show the element of the HTML page. Now here I am going to tell you that how you can achieve the goal of hide and show the menu bar. So now understand the concept of the JavaScript instead of HTML and CSS. You should know the HTML and CSS. So we are going to start the internal JavaScript by using script tag on the below side of the body. Here we will check it is working or not. We will write here alert hello. Right. So we will go live. Here you can see that the alert is working. So we can confirm that the script tag is working well. Here you can see the hide button inside the nav bar and a menu bar on the body. So the target is to when we click on the hide button, the menu bar should disappear, and when we again click on the hide button, then the menu bar should appear on the body. So let's start the code. So here, first of all, we will select the button, right? Let hide btn is equal to document dot query selector, because here is only one hide button class, so we can use the query selector, because you know that query selector will select the very first element on the body on the basis of CSS selector. Now here we are going to use class selector hide btn. Now we will confirm that the name of the class is same or not. You can see here the hide button is same as we have selected in the script tag. Now we will add event listener on this button. Add event listener, and here we will define the event which will be fire when the click event will fire, then this arrow function's code will be executed. Here we can write here normal function keyword and write the code, but here we will write only the arrow functions for our convenience, right? So let's start coding. First of all, we will confirm that the button is selected or not. Button is clicked, right? So here when we will click on this, then it is confirmed that the button is selected successfully. So here we will write the code of the hide button. So what is the logic of this showing and hiding the menu bar? So here you can see that the position of this menu bar is absolute and its parent container's position is fixed, means the menu bar will move according to the container, right? So when we will set here minus, not minus, we will see here 50 pixel 10 pixel, then we can see that it move 10 pixel on from the left side. So when we will write here minus, then what will happen? Then it will be go minus side of the left side and it will disappear 10 pixel of this menu bar. If we write here larger amount, then the 100 pixel will disappear. So if we here write 1000 minus 1000, the menu bar is disappeared. So the logic is when we click on this button, then the styling of the menu bar will change and the property of left should be minus 100 pixel 1000 pixel, and when we click on the button, then it will set to the 0 pixel like this. So we can achieve this goal, right? So here we will first of all select the menu bar. Here we will write here let menu bar is equal to document dot query selector. We will write here menu bar. Remember that the class name should be same you have learned, what you have written in the body tag, right? So the menu bar is same as which I have written in the script tag. Now menu bar is selected, right? So we will write the code on the menu bar. Here we can write menu bar dot style. To manipulate the style, we will use style keyword, and menu bar dot style dot the property is left is equal to minus 1000 pixel, right? So here I will refresh, and when we click on it, the menu bar will be disappeared, but when we again click on it, it is not showing. So you can see the logic of the hiding the menu bar, but when we again click on the button, then it should be appear. So what we will do for this? For this we will write a flag here. Let open is equal to true. For the initial state, the menu bar will be open, right? So here we will write a condition if is open is equal to true, then hide the menu bar, right? But if it is not true, then it should be, let me copy it and now paste. It would be 0 pixel. So the logic is if is open is true, then the to hide this menu bar, write here minus 1000 pixels so that we can hide the menu bar. But if it is not true, then the menu bar of the styling of menu bar should be 0 pixel, right? But here is open is not changing, so only if will execute every time. You can see here, refresh it and click on it, but again when you click on it, then it will not appear. Why? Because the value of is open is not changing. So that we can write here, if we close the menu bar, we can change the is open status is equal to false. Now we can see here is open is false, and when it is not showing, it is not appearing on the body tag, it will be false. Then when we click again on the button, then else part will be execute. But here is a problem. Now we will tackle on this. Refresh it, and when we click on the hide button, it will be disappear, and again when I will be click on the hide button, it will be appear. But when we again click on the hide button, nothing happens. Why? Because here we should also write the we will write here the status of the is open is true, because when it will be 0 pixel, the status is true. So here you can see here hide, but the we want to change the hide content. When it is hide, when it is showing, the hide should be appear, and when we click on the button, then it should be show. So here we can write here, we have selected the button and here we will change the inner text or inner HTML of the hide button is so hide button is equal to dot inner HTML. You can write both so, right? And when it is showing, then it should be hide. Let me, okay. So here you can see here when it disappears, the content of the button changed, right? But if you want to happen it like animation type, we will add the transition all 2 seconds, right? Here you can see that the whole event will apply within 2 seconds. You can see here it is very smooth. You can see here we will decrease the time of completion. Here you can see that it is smooth and it is absolutely working. And in the menu bar you can write whatever you want, like you can here write ul tag and here you can write li item 1, right? And like this you can write many items and you can style here whatever you want. For your example we can write here with 100% height fit content and for now it is good. For li tag with 100% and text align center, background color white, border radius should be 5 pixel, margin top should be 10 pixel, and right see here but it is not working at all. Box sizing, border box, it is not working. Why? It's okay, we will change the box sizing, border box. I think it will not working, it is not working. But here we can write here a margin 10 pixel, margin, let me write here margin top, right? It is fixed, right? Here we will add padding 10 pixel and 15 pixel. You can write see here and here you can write padding to the 5 pixel. Here you can see here hide show, hide so. So the main task is hide and show, not learning the CSS and the HTML, because you should know before starting this video the basic concept of HTML and the CSS. Now I think you understand that how you can implement this on your projects, right? So that's all of this video. Thank you so much.